Hey everyone, Jay Bhakta here, and today I want to share with you the heart and soul behind Base Case and Build, a journey that started not just as a project, but as a mission close to my heart. You see, over the years, I've been on this incredible journey of self-discovery and growth. I had the privilege of being mentored by some of the greatest minds like Dr. Jeff Spencer, and I've been part of masterminds that have truly transformed my perspective. As I was going through this transformation, there was this reoccurring thought that kept nagging at me. If I had only known this when I was younger, I could have avoided so much pain and heartache. It was this realization that sparked a fire within me. I thought, what if I could equip my kids with this wisdom early on, before life's trials and tribulation hit them hard? There's this quote from Frederick Douglass that resonated with me. It's much easier to build strong children than fix broken adults. That's when Base Case and Build was born. It started as a small project with just 4 kids, including my own 15-year-old son. We'd meet over Zoom, dive into these It started as a small project with just 4 kids, including my 15-year-old son. It started as a small project with just 4 kids, including my own 15-year-old son. We'd meet over Zoom, dive into these powerful life principles, and then I'd encourage them to engage in meaningful discussions with their parents about what they learned. The results? Nothing short of amazing. The kids weren't just learning, they were evolving, and the parents? They cherished having these discussions and creating a common language with their kids. My wife, seeing the transformation in our son, insisted that I expand and include my 10-year-old daughter, and she was right. These principles, these lessons, they're universal and ageless. And so, Base Case and Build grew, fueled by word of mouth from parents who saw real change in their kids. Let's redo that. My wife, seeing the transformation in our son, insisted that I expand, including my wife, seeing the transformation in our son, insisted that I expand and include my 10-year-old daughter, and she was right. These principles, these lessons, they're universal, ageless. Let me redo that. My wife, seeing the transformation in our son, insisted My wife, seeing the transformation in our son, insisted that I expand and include my 10-year-old daughter, and she was right. These principles, these lessons, they're universal, ageless. And so, Base Case and Build grew, fueled by word of mouth by parents who saw real change in their kids. But what is it that we teach that's so transformative? It boils down to 2 core areas, self-mastery and leadership mastery. Self-mastery, our base case, is about understanding yourself, your presence, and your surroundings. It's the foundation that everything else is built upon. Then we build on that with leadership mastery, where we impart the strategies and habits of the top 1% of the wealthy, teaching kids how to make decisions that lead to success and how to be that type of leader who inspire others. But it's not just about learning, it's about doing and taking action. Our frameworks guide kids to pursue their dreams, to stay on the right path, and to course correct when it's needed. But it's not just about learning, it's about doing and taking action. Our frameworks guide kids to pursue their dreams, to stay on the right path, and to course correct when needed. And perhaps most importantly, we provide a community, a network of like-minded peers, all striving to do extraordinary things, all wanting to be positive and make a difference in the world. Our journey is comprehensive, from self-mastery to leadership, from connection to network, and finally, humanity. Our goal, to empower kids to follow their passion, to make a difference, and to excel as leaders, entrepreneurs, and investors. And in Base Case and Build, we are with them every step of the way. So if you're a parent who dreams of more for your child, who sees this untapped potential waiting to be unleashed, join us. Let's nurture these young minds together, guiding them to be extraordinary individuals they are meant to be. Welcome to Base Case and Build, where we don't just prepare kids for the future, we empower them to build it.